Hey you guys, it's Keisha, and today we're extending the braid length if you want it longer. Let me just show you how to add that hair. Okay, so we're going to be extending or adding length to any braid, okay? So you see here, we've already done one of them. It's a thick braid. I'm going to show you here how to just add extra little hairs. You see, I'm adding small amounts of braiding hair in there so you don't make the braids you already have super bulky. We don't even want that. So if you know how to do feed-ins, it's the same way. And if you don't, click the link below. I'll link how to do knotless braids. Don't you even worry. But it's pretty much the same thing. So your braid is thick, but you're adding small pieces because it's very subtle and you'll make it longer. You won't even be able to tell you added hair in there. And you just braid it down. Perfect. Okay, so we're just going to do it again. We're on to our next braid. We made the last one super thick, juicy. And we're going to do the same thing with this one. So I recommend to feel. Trust your feeling, okay? Don't just look at the braid and be like, well, I need a little bit more hair. Trust how it feels also. Why are we playing? I know you see all that thickness. You see them thick braids? Yes, you do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, let's learn together.